Wung to deliver the free kick for United Brothers. Wung Chung has built it, and Kawumpam opens the scoring for United Brothers. Costly mistake from the goalkeeper. Wung Chung. Kawumpam at the back post, and Shankwe nearly getting a touch to it, nearly finding the target, but flag was up to restore parity here. Totremung. It's a good ball in. Maya is there. It's still inside the box, and it is turned in by Maya. And finally, vareihao have the goal that they have been looking for. Seen vareihao score in injury time. Maya, and the referee brings an end to the game here, and as things stand, United Brothers will take on the WFL Cup holders Hawkok in the semi-final, while vareihao will have to wait till Monday to find out who they take on.